Hello guys, welcome back to another Lego Link video on another video of a Stampy tutorial. Yes, and we're doing the train station, and you guessed that we're doing the inside. And just gonna do a run through what we're gonna do this video. So, first off, let me just do something which will make this easier. Let's just put pressure plates here, because I think I forgot to put it in the last episode. But in this episode, we are going to be doing a lot of stuff. We are going to be doing this train outside thing. We also gotta get rid of a bunch of these trees, but we'll do the outside, the last part. I don't know why this tree hasn't get out yet. Anyway, but first we're going to do the inside. So the outside is all good. So one thing I have to do is gotta add some orange thing. So we're just gonna break this until we get to the middle, which is right here, I think. Let's see. Yeah, this is the middle. And then we're gonna leave that open. And we come in the inside. And also, I think you're gonna don't break that. Let's see. I can get a good view of it somewhere. Okay, and then okay, so you're gonna break it to like the top part, and we're gonna kind of do like a plus symbol right at the top. And then on the corners, we're gonna do that, and then that orange lines up, and we gotta put andesite surrounding that. And I think we do that on all the corners. So, and then we're gonna surround some of it. So it kind of creates this, like, it's kind of like 3D down. I don't know what to say about it, I think. And then you just do that to here. And right here, we're going to bring this orange all the way down, I think. I don't know if there's a point at the end or not. I gotta check. See. I think I don't think there is a point anymore. Let me just. I think there is going to go like this. Okay, and then I think that's how it's gonna go. So we'll just do that. But I believe that's how it's gonna go. And I just do the same on this side. And then we got to do the floor and the lighting. And the lighting probably won't be hard, because they're not hard places. I already got lamps, so anyway. Let's get the floor material. So you need to keep your block of quartz, but also get out white concrete. You can put away this, and you can keep your orange. Don't need buttons. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna dig this entire floor out, and then we're gonna do a checkered pattern. So yeah. So while we're doing this, I want you guys to, if you haven't already, if you're in this video and you haven't built the outside yet, and you just found this video because you searched it up, go check out part 1 first. And if you like these Stampy tutorials, subscribe. And if you want me to do any other Stampy tutorials, because I know the only ones I'm really doing are the new builds, but if there's any builds that you want me to do, then comment down below. And yeah, so I don't know what other builds I could pretty much do. There's not really, I'm just gonna stick to doing these for now. But if there's a thing that there hasn't been a tutorial on, then just comment them below. So yeah, just dig this floor out. So while we're doing this, let's talk about Roblox event, Metaverse. I already been almost, right now it's on week 1. If you're in the future, it's probably already done. But my progress of week 1 is I've gotten almost half of the badges. I've already got all the chests, so I'm trying to get all the badges. But I've only about got half of them right now, and I'm going to get more. So yeah, we got this floor digged out, and start in this corner. You're gonna put white concrete, and you put block of quartz, white concrete, block of quartz, white concrete, block of quartz, white concrete, and just keep doing, alternating between them. Just make sure it's white in that corner, because that determines if you got the whole thing right or wrong. So just alternate it, and then you're gonna do a checkered pattern of this all the way. So yeah, while we're doing this again, I guess we'll talk about the Metaverse event, and it should end on a white, I guess. I think so. So the Metaverse event is, I think it's not really a great event. Like, it's replacing the Easter egg hunt. I never really did an Easter egg hunt in Roblox before, so I believe in the last 2 years it was like this. But for the games they have in this, they're kind of random selection games, because there's not any main, they haven't done, none of the games right now are any main games that have, like, most of these games either have 1,000 players or less in the thing, and they haven't done Adopt Me or Blox, and I assume they might do them, but I don't know what they'll do. But some of the challenges, it ranges in difficulty, which is kind of weird, because I think they should all be the same difficulty, because basically you can get, there's multiple badges for the same chest. You don't have to get all of them, but you just need to get that one chest thing, and then do the other chest of that to get the character. But some of them are way easy, like to get one of the crates, and then the same kind of crate is way harder on another one. And there's one in specific, that's two actually, that are pretty hard for me, but it might not be for you. But for me, the hardest one for me, and the one I didn't like the most, is the pet play simulator. I don't know it was pretty hard on one part. So one of them was like hatch 50 eggs. But that's easy because you get a lot of money. Because you have to do mini games also, and you get a lot of money from those. And that was the easiest one. That's the one you should do last. But the meteor one, there's like this meteor game you have to do. And you have to just dodge the meteors, and it's easy to do. It's not hard. You have to get like 100 score. But the thing is so stupid. It's this like Flappy Bird thing where you have to like go in between bombs. So I found this strat that you can do where if you stay at the bottom, you won't get hit by bombs. Unless you jump and get the coin and it's coming fast, and you can kind of, you will get hit by it. But it's kind of a good strategy. But it's really hard, and I raged a lot in that. And I'm glad I got that. And the other one I did were actually pretty easy. I've done like the daycare one. And I've done like all of the human simulator. All of the first ones to be released, like the first 9 or something to be released, I have most of them. Anyway, why don't we talk about Stampy? There's not really much to talk about except for getting close to the 700 episode, which is gonna happen in May though. And yeah, there's probably, I don't know if there's gonna be any changes in that episode. Maybe Hypnotar's castle will change, but we'll see. And I don't know. But it's gonna, next episode he says he's gonna build a train tracks, which is 697. I'm guessing 698 is gonna build a train and basically like finish it. And 699, it might be like the one where he flew the helicopter. And he did. He flew the helicopter and he got shot down. They got captured and he ended the episode, and it would be like a 2-parter. Maybe he'll do that with the train. Like he'll go on the train in the 699th episode and get captured and stuff. But anyway, let's do this thing. We're almost done. Hey, cake a bake.
Yeah. There's also another badge in this game called Roblox.
I'm not talking. Do you want to help me or what?
No, I'm doing this badge in Roblox.
Okay, he's doing the metaphor. Anyway, let's just finish this and we'll do the lighting, and then we'll focus on the inside, and then we'll do this outside part. I think we'll get rid of the trees first, but I don't know why it's doing that. So let's do some of the lighting. Let's go back to like the beginning of this. Okay. So what we're gonna do for lighting is we're gonna get jungle trapdoors and glowstone. And we're gonna put one glowstone right there, glowstone right there, and glowstone right there. And then we're gonna put trapdoors surrounding all of the glowstone thing. We'll do the one in the middle last. But it's not hard to do. I just didn't want to do it. I just guess we're doing it last. But do this here, and it's gonna be the same on all sides. So you're gonna put 2 right here, 1 in the middle of this. Also, get out back your polished andesite, and also your iron doors. And then you're gonna do the same thing that we did last episode. And we're gonna put the iron doors facing in. We're gonna do like 2 doorways, and you can put pressure plates right there. And then pressure plates right here, because we didn't do those. But anyway, continue putting these glowstone. So there'll be 2 glowstone on these. Basically, they're on all points of the triangles and in the middle of each area. So there, and then just copy this right here. Also, I was right. It is still a point that we have to do. I was just checking. I just saw it in here, but yeah, just grab your polished diorite again. Because we're also going to have to put some lamps in like the middle thing, but it's not complicated. I mean, we got all that. So just put one right there and one right there. And now you got to surround all these with trapdoors. And then we'll start the ticket booth. And then we'll do the tea shop. And then the waiting seats. And then the outside part, which may take a little while to clear some of the trees and stuff. I'm trying to get them all faced the same way, because I think they go up like that. The handle's like that on that. Yo guys, it might take a little bit to do. But yeah, just add some more lighting in here in case it's like dark outside. And like, yeah, anyway, so yeah. So in Minecraft news, I guess we can talk about, I think, I watched the video. I didn't watch the full thing, but Minecraft, the Caves and Cliffs update, I think is getting split into 2 parts. I don't know what they're doing. I think they're doing, I would think they're doing the mountains first and then the caves last, because they have to generate, but I don't know what is coming out. But when that update comes out, I might do a video showing off some of the new stuff, because it's a cool update. Okay, so I think we did almost all. Just gotta do these ones. I don't know. Okay, we can get rid of your diorite and your polish thing again. Might need them, but I don't know. But then get iron bars. Go bring the iron bars all the way down to there, and actually just make sure it should go all the way down, and then the glowstone should line up with all the other ones, like on the same level. So yeah, I think I saw that one was like that, so I guess we'll do that. And this one was missing, but he will definitely put that one. Okay, so now let's deal with this ticket booth. Okay, and then this is gonna be pretty easy to do. So the ticket booth is gonna be on this side. So facing that way, you're gonna leave 2 blocks and come 5 blocks forward. Leave 2 blocks on this side and go 5 blocks forward. So basically it's on the left side of the building. And then you're gonna connect it up, but leave a space for a trapdoor, and then add another row right there. And that's just for the computer. So then we don't need iron doors or in these anymore. So you can get trapdoor. You can put a trapdoor right there. Okay, so, and then we're gonna grab our polystyrene out again. But just this is for computers thing. So I think there's one 3 blocks away right there. And then there's one 2 blocks away from this trap door. So they're both 2 blocks apart. And then we gotta get stone buttons. And we get paintings out. I think it will do the exact paintings he did. Let's see. So this one is we can get it. You always don't get the painting you want. Keep going. It's this one. It either looks like a sandwich or a fruit bowl, but yes, that one. And then the other one is if I can get it. Is this one. I don't know. It kind of looks like frog to me, but yeah, that's what it is. And then there's also some mouses right here in there. I mean, not they're right here. And then we're gonna get these robots. Yes, robots are back. And you can put away the trapdoor, don't need that. So, but you're gonna need stone brick stairs. You're gonna need dispenser, lever, and observer. I don't think we don't need these 2 blocks. So also get out paper as well. And we'll get some more stuff in a bit. So you're gonna leave 2 blocks right here, a stair, and then 1 block from here, a stair. Put 2 dispensers, and then you're gonna put some levers on them. And then you're gonna put lever right there, and then you're gonna take your reservers, come back behind them, and you gotta kind of crouch and jump. Just crouch and jump, and then put the server. There we go. And they kind of look like they are faces, and you're gonna put half of paper in each one, I guess. I'm just gonna put, it says there's 32 paper in each one, so I'm just gonna split it. So it's 32 paper. Just put it in the middle of your dispenser. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add ties and also carpets. So you're gonna get item frame, and you're gonna get out orange banner. We'll put that, and we'll get iron bars too, because we're gonna need them for the line. And you're gonna put little hats on top of the observers. I don't need to crouch for that. Okay, so for the line thing, no, 1, 2, 5. Okay, so you're gonna leave space here, and he builds to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to right there, and he leaves a space, and he put it going all the way down here. And you're gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4 to that block. Leave a block right here, and bring this all the way down. You're just making a queue line. Okay, and then you bring this one all the way down. Leave a space and then bring it out like that. And that is the queue line, and this is basically, that's the ticket stand thing done. So now we gotta do this thing. So go on this side, leave 2 blocks, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Build it till only, we gotta do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Leave up space, remember, on this thing. Then build it 2 blocks out. And then we gotta get out black wool. And you put one right there. And also we can put the stairs up. So you put stairs right in there. And then 3 blocks apart from that, another stair. Come on. Okay, and then we're gonna put computer 2 blocks away, right there. And then we do the same design for these as we did last time. Why am I crouching? And then you put the servers on the back. Crouch. Then do it on this side. And then we're gonna put 19 flower pots into, so we only need 37. And then we split, so we get 19 here. We get 19 flower pots. And then we put 19 in this one. And then 16 in this photo here. And I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna put one right there and one right there. Just add like a little detail, he said. And we just gotta do the same thing again for these guys. We get the tie, so get the orange thing. And basically how you get the food is you like wave, kind of like he says, wave, shake their hand and they give you the item. And then finally on the top of their heads they have the little orange carpets. So yeah, we're almost done with the inside. Just gotta do the computers. The touchscreen ones, he says. So, okay, so for these, we don't need these and that anymore. We also need a trapdoor anyway. But let's see where it is. Painting. We're gonna need painting. These ones are touchscreen ones, so they don't have keyboards. So this one is this one. I think it's basically a window, and then there's like yellow outside. So yeah, that one, just white and yellow. And then this one is that one. First try I got. It's the food bowl thing, same one that we had over there. And then you add a trapdoor right here. Let me just turn it around because it's supposed to go like that. And then you can get furnace smoker. Put 2 smokers like that and a furnace in the middle. And then add some orange right here. And orange right here. And then you also get your brewing stand and get your stone pressure plate. Put brewing stand right there and a brewing stand right there and cutting board, as he says, right there. And I think that is our stand done. And all we have to do now is build. So we're gonna get and then we're gonna get nether brick stairs and signs, oak signs for now. You're gonna go 3 away from this, 1, 2, 3, and then on the 4th, you're gonna add 3 stairs, and then 3 blocks in between, leave 3 in between, and then add 3 more stairs. And then 2 blocks away, facing that way, I'm gonna add 3 more stairs. And then some on the back. And then you just put signs on all the edges. And he said they're like the ones in the airport, so yeah. It's basically, the whole entire train station is supposed to be kind of like the airport because they're kind of like related stuff. And then the last thing we're going to do is add some tables. So, you're going to get dark oak trapdoor and stone brick wall. Come on. Let's get... And then you're gonna go to this chair right here. You're gonna go leave 2 blocks from there, and then add 2 stairs right there. Leave 1 block space and add a 4x4 stone brick wall, and add trapdoors on top of all of that. And then 1, 2 right there. Then leave a leave a 3 block space and add the table, same table design right there. And then also then we had 1 right here, 1 of the table and chair things right here, and there's 2 blocks away. And then the same thing on this side, 2 blocks away again. And then the table in the middle. And now we can do the outside part. So just clear of all this stuff. And let me just, there's an easier way to do this, so let me just turn friendly fire off. And I think it spreads. Wait, I turned that off. Okay, so just, you can burn down this tree. This big tree right here will be taken down as well. So, and this tree right here. And then you're going to add all these trees are in them, so you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the blocks we're gonna need for now is smooth slab, yellow concrete, and brick. So yes, where is bricks? Doo 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 doo. So just for now, you're just gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with brick, 1 with yellow, and then I don't know if. Okay, we're using not smooth on sides. We're using the smooth block, and then we're gonna go 1 with that block, and then it's gonna go 4 deep with gravel. Okay, let's see. We'll see. So we got. Okay, so sorry for like the weird thing that happened. My friend called me and it just stopped the video. So yeah, it's right now it's getting kind of long. So I'm actually going to not do this platform all the way. I'm just gonna do this front area, and then we'll finish the platform in the next episode. So let's just get get this tree dead. So I already kind of showed you how to do it. But if you didn't hear, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with brick, 1 with yellow, 1 with smooth stone, and then you just drag it all the way down. I gotta do something! 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you just do all the way down. And then we're gonna, this is all going to be digged out here. You might go, I don't know how far it will go, but I will figure out in the next episode how far it goes. So you're gonna burn this tree down right here. So I'm just gonna get you prepared for, so just gonna get this tree down, and this one right there, and this one. And then we do that right there. So just get all of these trees down. I think it's gonna end up being like 2 or 3 blocks away from this birch tree right here. And that may end up getting removed. So yeah, we're gonna have to just remove a bunch of these trees right here. And if you have the update Easy Start 3.0 that I'm going to work on, the trees and stuff will all be removed for you, and terrain will be updated, so you might not have to do that. So yeah, maybe just do this. So in the next tutorial, the next episode that's gonna come out for this tutorial will be the train tracks. And so I don't want this birch tree to burn down. It's supposed to stay there. The next tutorial will be doing the train tracks and stuff. And also this is going to expand a bit, but I'll figure that out next episode as well. I'll mark it out before we start the episode next time, so we can expand the platform with it. So yeah, and then you fill in all this with brick. Also, real quick, just get stone pressure plate. Too. So it just fill in all the brick and stuff real quick. And then the last thing we'll do is you put pressure plates the door so you can get back in. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next episode. We're building the track. Bye.